fire-causing outlet challenge goes viral on TikTok. Authorities warn teens an outlet challenge involving partially plugging a cell phone charger into an electrical outlet and sliding a coin into the gap between the charger and socket has gone viral on TikTok. Several teens imitated the challenge, in most of which sparks are seen flying alongside visible socket damage. U.S. fire authorities warned the challenge could cause fires, injuries, or even electrocution. What you hear isn't true. I have nothing against you, Saudi prince told Bezos days after Amazon CEO and Washington Post owner Jeff Bezos was briefed on Saudi online campaign against him. Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman told Bezos on WhatsApp that what he was being told wasn't true. "There is nothing against you or Amazon from me or Saudi Arabia," Salman said. The investigation found that Salman hacked Bezos' phone in May 2018, arguing with woman-like reading license agreement. Saudi prince told Bezos Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman sent an image on WhatsApp to Jeff Bezos before his divorce. According to an investigation, it showed a woman's picture and read, "Arguing with a woman is like reading software license agreement. In the end you have to ignore everything and click I agree." Bezos was in a secret relationship with Lauren Sanchez then. Tesla value overtakes Volkswagen, which sold 30 times more cars last year. Tesla on Wednesday overtook Volkswagen Group as the world's second most valuable carmaker with a market value of $106 billion, $7 billion more than its German rival. Volkswagen delivered almost 11 million vehicles last year, 30 times more than Tesla's 367,500 cars. The Elon Musk-led carmaker trails only Japan's Toyota, which is valued at around $200 billion. WhatsApp rolls out dark mode in latest beta version on Android. WhatsApp has started rolling out dark mode feature for Android users, as spotted by WA Beta Info. However, only users enrolled for the beta program will receive the update. Users can enable dark mode from the Chats section of WhatsApp's settings menu, which includes 4 options in the display setting: light mode, dark mode, set by battery saver, and system default.